Well, there's one place in the galaxy that is like the Ford Motor Company of outer space, and that is Hopetown. Let's go see what Ron Hope is up to. So Hopetown is located out in Valo. So you got Alpha Centauri, goes up to Wolf, Narian, and then if you click on that one and then go down to Valo. I guess it's a binary solar systems. They orbit each other. And the planet that you want to go to is Polvo. So you've got Helix, Cantra, Lumus, Prax, Polvo. And if you go to Hopetown at the very bottom here, and here we are. It's a bit of a foggy day. Take a look around. As you can see, there's a bunch of people walking around.
I don't want to hear any complaints.
We got the Rangers. Best Defense. And Hopetech. I'd like to view and modify my ships.
Right away.
Okay, so what do we got here? Regular group of shields. So they have the Hopetech pieces. The Obliterator. Still like my Alpha beams. Got the Hopetech landing bay. Top egress. So it has the Armstrongs and an Overseer. So they're all crew of 2. You've got the front docker and a side docker. Has all your standard engines, including the White Dwarf 3015. These are good too. But you need 6 of them. And the cells. You have the Hope 6 landing gear, which is a 2-2. And you can do a couple of different variations, including a middle one and an end one. Then you've got this one, the big Lander Thrust 4. This has probably some of the best stats. And then we have the Hope 5 landing gear. But the Habs, this is where it's at. Including this one here, the Hopetech Spine Hab and the Cross Bracer. The Spine Hab is the one I use here. And then you've got all these big Hopetech units, including these end ones, these companionways. They're also storage rooms, but they're kind of fun too, right? It's got the Pinch 8Z reactor, which I think is what I have. No, I have another type. But it's the similar stats, I think. Mass 129. I think I have the sheer flow. Similar stats. So yeah, Hopetech. Let's take a look around. Oh yeah, the factory. You can take a tour of the factory floor if you want. Got these robots here.
Just 3 more to go until break.
Those jackasses on Line A are gonna be the death of me. You missed the tour? Yeah, this is where it happens. Listen, I ain't exactly customer-facing, so just go on your way and neither of us will get in trouble.
I prefer the straight scoop instead of marketing bullet points.
You do? Well, I guess we'll see. So here is the factory floor where you get to see me wrangle a bunch of morons into, oh, I don't know, doing their damn job.
You must be the boss
No,
then.
this is a Ron Hope joint, and you'd be wise to remember that. Mr. Hope built all of this, made this whole area more than some 2-credit agri-plot. If you want to ask questions, make it quick. We got a tight delivery coming up.
So you run the whole floor?
Every rivet, every piece of plating goes through my team. If you've got a Hopetech ship, it means I've crawled through every inch of her at least once.
The working conditions seem intense.
This ain't no highfalutin New Atlantis desk job where everyone gets their after bleeding noon tea. This is Polvo. We work for a living. If you think this is tough, you try farming in the tundra. Believe me, these blockheads got it good.
What's the deal with Ron Hope?
Polvo was just some nowhere dead-ender until Ron Hope had a dream. Let's build sturdy, dependable ships. No nonsense, none of that damn Tayo glitz and glamour. Just a ship that flies right and will get you where you need going. Ron Hope's a goddamned hero. Sure, it was a pleasure and all that bullshit to talk with you.
Thanks, Bridget
Can't you
McDougal.
just go to... Oh. Sorry.
So Bridget plays a part later in the storyline. So she's worth talking to, I guess. If you're into the storyline. As far as the overall shop here, I guess, yeah, there's some like upper scaffolding. You can take a look at it. Yeah, there you go. You get a better view of the place. Look at that. Doesn't even have the cockpit in it. Space trucker flannel. Some wafers. Is there a window? Yeah, there's a window. Cool, alright.
Just keep it holstered. We'll get along fine.
Hello.
It's also the best defense is here.
Yes. What?
You here for commerce? Or another bored tourist?
And the other thing would be the Rangers. We've got a ranger station here. Go talk to these guys if you want. Of course, you can always access all those parts here. All the habs from earlier, including these side cross bracers. As far as what it looks like on the map, it's not a very big area for a city or a building. See, it looks like there's another manufacturing area over here. Take a quick drive around. Oh yeah, okay. So this is actually an interior bay with ships. You have these rolling areas, like rolling wheel things to move them around. Look at those engines are running. Big doors. So there's Hopetech.
Escape trajectory plotted.
Polvo Station. Not a very big station. Is there anywhere even to go on it? Well, anyway, there's a little space station here. Doesn't seem to be doing anything other than just orbiting the planet.